How to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually see other people's best friends list on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in Instagram and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After you update the app, simply open Snapchat. Now the thing I want to tell you is that there is actually no anywhere you could actually find and see someone's best friends list on Snapchat. Now there used to be option before, but nowadays Snapchat doesn't allow you to view the best friends of other users. You can only view your own Snapchat best friends, and Snapchat initially allowed users to see the best friends of other users on the app. However, the feature was actually soon disabled by Snapchat company. What you can do is you can only view the snap score of other people's profiles. For example, let me go ahead and open Snapchat and then I tap on anybody's profile right over here. Let's say what you can do is you can only go ahead and simply see their snap scores right over here. You can also go ahead and select all of the things that you have shared with those person. However, there is no way that you could actually view the best friends list because it is actually a privacy reason. Snapchat does not allow you to do that. So if you see videos on the internet telling that they could actually help you make you see this best friends list of others, do not believe that because Snapchat doesn't allow this feature. We hope this video gave you some insights and answered your question about the best friends list. If it did help you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.